Okay, coming off Lakewood Boulevard. This is the reverse scenario of the one we just shot. We've got to get him in here alongside this dumpster. We do clip this handicap parking space a little bit to get him in here. Have him go up. How much more can he go? So same thing, there's still plenty of room to get a ramp behind it. If the ramp was parked here, you just back it up, pull it up to him, and unload the truck. Got miles of room here. The only problem is clipping that handicap parking space coming in and leaving. Plenty of room, Alan.
Right here.
Yeah, here's 30 feet. We still got a bunch of offload room.
That's so much fun.
The only problem we're seeing is that he's clipping the ADA parking space, coming and going. Your parking spaces, and then there's 2 parking spaces over by the school that hopefully nobody's parked there.
But if we have to do it after hours, then that's what we do.
Or do it after hours.
Yeah, but that we can set up.
School's open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4. Okay. Okay, plan 3 works.